special but didn't know where to start? Today, we're exploring the exciting field of interior design and how a personalised mood board can be your first step to achieving the space of your dreams. A mood board is not just a collection of images, it's the blueprint of your design vision. It combines colour schemes, textures, furniture placement and lighting to set the tone for your entire project. Choosing the right colours and textures can dramatically affect how a room feels. Whether you're looking for something cosy and warm or sleek and modern, your mood board will guide every decision moving forward. Now let's talk about furniture placement and lighting. These elements are crucial because they dictate the functionality and ambience of your space. Our team works with you through video calls, incorporating your feedback to ensure every piece fits perfectly within your vision. With our design package, you receive detailed AutoCAD drawings and 3D rendered images, so you can visualize your space even before it comes to life. Plus, we provide a comprehensive shopping list tailored to your design, ensuring you have all the right materials at your fingertips. And the support doesn't end there. Our package includes post-design support to help you manage any challenges during the project execution. Plus, you'll enjoy trade discounts, making your dream design more affordable. Imagine having a high-quality, personalised design that not only meets but surpasses your expectations. That's what we promise to deliver. Design confidently with us, and let's turn your dream space into a reality. Ready to start your design journey? Contact us today and let's create something beautiful together. Remember, every great design starts with a great plan. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.